Good morning for everyone. I am Propita from my heart. I would like to talk each and every dimensions related to my own interest because I really want to do something which come from my own area. I have lots of time, lots of desires for improving my own self. These things are very valuable for me in spite of very hurdles, lots of hurdles. I have only satisfaction with these things. Many people are thinking a lot because those have lots of disappointment. But every time these disappointment are not applicable for everyone. I don't know where to start these things, but I know I'm doing something for only happiest life. Without happiness, you can do something related to your own field. This is the part of your own life. You must change your behavior. You must change your overall such thing which can improve overall your life. These things is the these things are the part of your own domain. So you should change your attitude. Definitely, you absolutely changing in front of each and every situation. I'm one of the most important because I really want to do something. Not whenever I want to do something, but my own process is the part of my spirit. My spirit is the part of my overall universe, which belongs to my own domain. So clearly, however, many people are doing something but are not appearing in front of each and every person much better. It is the problem of our circle. But I deserve for this. I deserve for this. I really want to do something. Actually, we have lots of thinking, but only that can do only pragmatic work, not theoretical based work, based on only desire, which can improve time, because there are not only several issues for uh, changing your own attitude, but there is the part of your own skill. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much for everyone.